6:30 in the morning. Gonna drive my white truck today. It's gonna be nice. Someone has been driving with the shoes on. Right, so before we can leave, we're gonna have to refill some coolant in the engine because it has a small leakage in it. So, but it works to drive just for today, and tomorrow it will go into the workshop. Yes, we go. So yeah, this is what's happening. The trailer. We're gonna drive to Uppsala, which is gonna take about 1.5 hours. It's gonna be nice. Let's roll! I'm actually thinking about going the other way around, which is the road 55. It goes past Strängnäs instead of the middle of Stockholm. This road I'm driving right now, it takes longer to drive, but it's no traffic on it. It's super beautiful. Yeah, the faster way is to go through Stockholm on the E4, but yeah, if I can choose this way, I prefer it because Stockholm at this time in the morning, it's gonna be a lot of traffic, and yeah, people are so freaking hectic all the time. Just gonna do it my way. So freaking nice weather outside. Still a little bit windy. There's been a storm through Sweden, like all the way yesterday. The entire night has been windy. It's like, are the windows gonna last for this? But yeah, I don't think anything broke. I'm just gonna cross this pretty tall bridge later, so I'm gonna take it pretty easy there. Watch out for heavy winds. I didn't get enough sleep tonight. I can feel it. It's like, I've been having like some kind of insomnia thingy right now. I can like go to bed at 10 in the evening and I fall asleep at maybe 1 in the night. 3 if I'm unlucky. Yeah, I'm pretty bad at keeping a regular sleep schedule anyway, so but yeah, life is good. Feels good to be driving again, and especially especially this truck, because this is, I have kind of sort of adopted this truck. This is mine. This is my truck now. Scania V8 with the manual gearbox. I'm gonna have to say I prefer automatic gearboxes as long as they're new and they run smoothly. But that's the same with manual gearboxes. So, but shifting this one, it's a freaking dream. I barely think about it. It's in the back of my head. It feels so natural to shift in this truck. Oh, freaking love it. So yeah, that's the update for now. Hey guys, we have arrived in Uppsala, Sweden. We're gonna unload at this kind of construction sites. They're building a brand new building. They're building a building. And we're gonna deliver some vents for that new building. We just need a couple of cars and trucks to move before we can enter. So there we go. Vigo has been barking at everyone. So he's doing his job. He's doing his thing, being Vigo. I once had a scarf for Vigo that said, "I bark at ugly people." Very soothing, because he barks at everyone. Yeah, that's what you do, Vigo. Is what you do. So we're gonna enter, that's the little gate there. And yeah, it's pretty heavy traffic. Vigo. They're building a pretty big house here. I think it's gonna be really tight to unload the trailer here, but we'll see. Yeah. Lunch while we're at it, while we're standing still. I have my microwave right here. See if this works. Yay! Great success! The microwave is running. Feels really wrong. It's a pretty tight corner there, but yeah, this is the way home. to do anything basically, so it's nice. So we're getting closer to home. I'm gonna disconnect the trailer from the truck, and it's going into the workshop for a quick service on the cooler problem. But I think I'm gonna give it a quick wash first, because it's so much salt on the roads. The mirrors are getting covered like immediately. So that's the last thing I'm gonna do today. Today has been really fun. Just gonna get home and edit the video. Oh god, I love this truck. This is a good truck. So you guys, for this time, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.
Yes, yes.